Hi everybody, this video will discuss the import tool of the Xero aXcelerate integration. If you're wanting to have the Xero integration enabled in your account, feel free to contact your Customer Success Manager to discuss this further. This integration allows you to import contacts, payments, and finance codes. Starting with contacts, you can import from Xero to aXcelerate as contacts or organizations. The system will automatically assign a category to the contact based on the information in Xero. Using the search parameters, I can display all the new contacts in Xero from the last month. Displaying the results of the search, I can see the system will import the contacts as per the action set. Clicking Submit will run the import for the selected contacts. The Payments tab operates in a similar method. You can search using the filters displayed. Selecting the Xero payment date range and the status, you can click Search Xero. Select Import Payment for each payment you would like to import, and then click Submit. Heading to the Finance Codes section, I can see all the finance codes from Xero. Selecting the checkbox next to each finance code, I can import these by clicking Submit. In summary, this video has given a brief overview of the Xero Import Tool.